Hi, I'm GeelyJoe and welcome to the first video on the GeelyJoe YouTube channel. The whole point of this channel is to share tips and tricks about what I've learned since I've had my EX5 and share them with you. If there's something that you particularly want to know, pop something down in the comment section below and I'll try and either make a video or I'll post something on the Facebook group. I'll leave the link to the Facebook group on a pinned comment underneath. This first video, I'm going to show you how to take your photos from your phone or your computer and pop them on your center console to give it that personalized touch. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, this photo isn't one of the stock photos that came with your Geely. If we click on the application menu and we go to themes, my wallpapers, these ones here are the ones that come with the Geely as standard. And in use here, I've got some lovely family photos that I've added from my phone and my PC. And as you can see, I can set them as a wallpaper. So to get these photos on, what you need to do is you need to get a USB drive and you need to plug that into your computer, copy your photos over just into the router of the USB drive, and then we pop it in one of the USB sockets on the car. So if I pop it on the one that's underneath at the bottom down there, and now you can see we've got a inserted USB drive notification. So from this stage here we can do add from gallery, and you get a second option here which is now USB, and that's where all my photos are. And then literally just click on one of the photos and it comes up, shows you what it looks like, and you can select to set it as wallpaper. I'm not going to import a new photo because I should have them already stored here, which is, I like this one. This is the birds of paradise plant that I took a picture of when I was in Turkey. Some things that you need to know about this process is you can put landscape or portrait photos on it, but obviously landscape pictures are going to look the best, so think about that when you're selecting the pictures. And then if we go back to our home, as you can see, there we go, the picture is updated. And there you have it. It's that easy to upload a photo onto the center of your console to personalize your Geely for you. If you like this video and found it useful, please leave a comment, like the video, and if you want to see more of this type of thing and want me to continue making these videos, subscribe. That'll let me know that you want to see them. We'd love to welcome you on the Facebook group. Like I said, the pinned comment down below will give you the link to that. Come and hang out with us. Tell us about your experience with your EX5 and tell us anything else you would like to know. Until next time, see you.